Oh man, I'm so bored, and I'm hungry. I don't know what to eat or make. Oh wait, I think I know what to make. I'm going to make pizza. Let's see if we have everything we needed. Okay, we have everything that we needed. Now let's see. Dough? Check. Pizza sauce? Check. Cheese? Check. Pepperoni? Check. Oil? Check. And oven? Check. Okay, now we got everything. Let's make it.
When Caillou finished making the pizza.
Finally. We finished making the pizza. Now let's play Call of Duty Black Ops 3.
When Doris and Boris got home.
Hey Boris, do you smell something?
It smells like smoke.
Oh shit, it fire. Hurry. Get Rosie, and pack every stuff before they burn.
Okay.
Wow. I love play BO3. It's the funniest game I ever played. But hey, did I forgot something? Well, I don't think so. Oh no, it's fire. I forget to take out the pizza. I'm so dead.
I heard what you said. Caillou. How dare you set the kitchen on fire?
But
No buts. You're grounded for 1 month. Go to sleep.
if I do, then I'll get burned.
You will stay here till you burn. Adios.